Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A72, and today I'll show you a couple tweaks and tricks you can do on this phone. So starting off, we're going to begin with a fairly simple one called dark mode, and you can find it in the notification panel, this little moon icon. Once you tap on it, it will turn everything dark mode. That will also include default applications like dialer, messages and settings and so on. So moving on to the next option, it's going to be the gesture navigation, which personally I really love on any device. So to actually enable the gesture navigation, you want to go under to the display. From here we're going to scroll somewhere. Oh, there we go, navigation bar, and choose swipe gestures. Now this will disable the already existing buttons at the bottom and substitute them for this tiny little bar. Basically the way it works is you swipe up to go home, swipe up and hold to go to recent, and swipe from the side to go back. Fairly simple, yet so intuitive. And moving on to the next option, it's going to be the screen mode, which again in the settings under the display, you can find it right over here. Now by default Samsung sets it for some reason to vivid. It makes the colors pop, okay, but in other cases it just looks unnatural. For instance, these oranges here look like they're basically radiating away. They literally look radioactive, so I wouldn't call that the best color scheme right here when things just look so unnatural. But at least we do have a natural option, which does make it look a little bit better. Now it does make all the colors look a little bit dull, but it is, I guess, closer to how, or I would say it is closer to how they actually look like, rather than oranges looking like some radioactive isotope just decaying on your screen. So yeah, anyway, moving on to the next option, it's gonna be the sensors off. Now this is strictly for people that like privacy. It basically disables sensors, aka cameras, microphones, stuff like that. Now to enable this, you first need to enable the developer options, which already looks like it is enabled here, but to do it, you go into About Phone, Software Information, and then tap on Build Number until it tells you that developer mode has been enabled. And from here you want to go into the developer mode, scroll down to Quick Setting Tile or Developer Tiles, and you should find, there we go, the Sensors Off option. Now before I toggle it on, I'm going to pull down the notification panel, and you can see that the first option right here is Wi-Fi. Now if I enable this, now it's sensors off. So anyway, I'm also going to turn on the camera just so you can see this in action, so you can clearly see that this is working right now. So let's, bam, and voila, the camera just closed. Security policy prevents use of camera. So yeah, you can't basically use cameras right now because there is no camera. It basically just completely removes it, as well as things like microphones. Those won't be usable too. So if you have calls, make sure you turn it off beforehand, otherwise people won't be able to hear you, which is not really how calls should work. So yeah, like I said, this is primarily for people that value their privacy. Now moving on to the next option, it's going to be getting back that power button, because just because Samsung calls their side key doesn't mean that number one, it's the only side key. So I don't know, maybe add a number to it, side key 1, because you do have volumes on the side as well. And number 2, no one likes your Bixby, so just remove it altogether and bring back what every other phone has. Every other phone never thought about, hey, let's change something that has worked for everybody. So yeah, if you're like me and you literally despise this, because when you hold a darn power key, it brings up this trash, then let's go into the settings and completely remove it, and basically never try to have our attention averted from whatever we're doing based on that Bixby, because I literally hate it, and it just ruins my day seeing that, especially when it tells you that, ooh, I want to update. Yeah, no you don't. So from the settings, we're gonna go into advanced features, which should be somewhere, there we go, advanced features, and then side key, and just make sure that it is on power off menu, which is what it should be straight from the get-go. And now when you hold it, voila, we got something that is expected. When you try to power off your device with the power key, it brings up power options. Who would have thought that that is the default option that should have been? But anyway, this would conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I wanted to show you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.